everyone, I'm Jenna from Red Paper Plane, the leaders of high-impact dimensional print marketing all online. Last year, we introduced a whole new line of products, the Desktoppers. Each mail flat and convert into a small tabletop display, extending the life of your message. Let's take a look at these 4 new products that are sure to help you stand out in 2020. The fold-out pyramid contains 4 display panels for your art and messaging, allowing you to make your own great pyramid that will sit proudly atop the desktops of all who receive it. The diamond pull is so simple yet so effective. To convert it into a desktop display, simply pull outward on its wings and hidden content is revealed as a signature diamond center takes shape. Our hexagon pen pot squeezes into dimensional shape to display 6 sides of messaging and a die-cut center for holding pens and pencils. Simply push down on our table tent spinner's folded center and it's assembled. The spinner on the front of the design makes engaging with your message as easy as the flick of a finger. Each of these long-lasting Desktopper products are perfect for displaying calendars, invitations, event reminders, announcements, how-tos, and instructions. We have more new products in store for 2020, so be sure to check out our weekly newsletter to be the first to learn about what's new at Red Paper Plane.